equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And today I wanted to share with you guys something really cool that's coming up next week starting September 20th going on through September 22nd. So I don't know if you have heard of an online horse fair before, but that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. It's called the Art of the Horseman Online Horse Fair. I like to call it an equestrian extravaganza, and it's being put on by becauseofthehorse.net. Paula and Jack Curtis are the people that run Because of the Horse, and they are bringing us a really fantastic learning opportunity with this Art of the Horseman online fair. And the best part about this online fair is that you can attend it for free. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video and I will tell you how you can get your very own free ticket for the Art of the Horseman. Now, if you've ever attended a live seminar or like a weekend where they did like a horse expo or something, those are really neat, but sometimes they're really hard to get to. Sometimes they're really expensive. And once you're there, it's really hard to get to see all of the presentations that you want to see. And once you get there, you might be overwhelmed by all of the different classes, or they may not be marked out really well, so it might be hard to actually participate of what you had intended to when you signed up. But that's what's really neat about the Art of the Horseman online fair is this is completely online. You can access the fair from your home computer, from a laptop, from your phone, pretty much anywhere that you have internet connection, you have access to all of the presentations in the Art of the Horseman. And it's not just 1, 2, 3, or even 4 different presenters. There's over 40 different presenters that will be presenting in their topics of expertise for all of us to learn from. There really is something for everyone in this fair. The presentations will help to empower you to fast track your training and your progress with your horse, while at the same time finding harmony and unity, helping you to have a really great partnership with your horse. Now there's 3 different areas of focus on the online Art of the Horseman program. The first area focuses on mindset, riding, and health, with presentations on gaining confidence, a 30-minute yoga class for riders, stretching, working on your position in the saddle, and mental makeovers. The second area of focus is on horsemanship, and this is probably one of my favorite parts of the fair. There's over 28 presentations that you can put into practice with your horse. Some of the presenters are Warwick Schiller, Pat Pirelli, Lynn Palm, Hannah Weston, and Michael Gascon. I don't know if I'm saying his name right, but I've watched some of the presentations and he is fantastic. I've actually been able to put some of these practices from the presentations to use with my horse Ethan here. And the third area of focus is your horse's mind, body, and soul, with different presentations on improving your horse's balance, working at liberty, and finding out what your horse really likes to do, besides eating and sleeping. In total, there are 68 different presentations to help us make the most of the time that we have with our horses. And if you haven't yet got your free ticket for the Art of the Horseman online fair, check out the description box below. The very first line is a link, and if you go to that link, just click on it. That will take you to becauseofthehorse.net, and then you can put in your email address and your name, and they will email you your very own ticket for the Art of the Horseman fair. You really don't have anything to lose. The fair is completely free for the 3 days, September 20th through September 22nd. Then they do offer an option if you did want to purchase a lifetime membership to all of the presentations, a workbook, and a lot of extras. You can do that too. But just to get started, all you have to do is click on that link that's in the description box below and you can get your ticket to the fair. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I was lucky enough to get early access to the online horse fair, so I've been able to go through the presentations already, and there is so much good information. It is so nice. It's so exciting and fun, and there's a lot of stuff that I am putting to use with Ethan. And I can see my confidence level growing, and I can see that he's getting what I'm asking him to do. when you have a moment like that with your horse, it's pretty encouraging and it really makes you want to continue on. So if you're looking for new ways, or you just want to join up with your horse, have a really good partnership with your horse, I really encourage you to go on over to the Art of the Horseman Online Fair and get your free ticket. It is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited that there's a presentation like this. It's like I get to go to a horse expo, but I'm sitting at home. And then I can actually even open up the different presentations on my phone. I can come out here with Ethan, work with him in my arena, or just hang out with him. So it's really a lot of fun. And I encourage all of you to get your free ticket. Go sign up right now and put your thinking caps on, because it is going to be an entire weekend full of learning that we can be really great horsemen with our horses. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other DIY videos, product reviews, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ethan too.